recording is on now. Okay, so welcome everyone to ProCoderG. This is our day 22. In today's video, I'm talking about built-in models in Python. So first, use headphones for better quality of audio, and then the today code section is look like this. Your potential is limited. Believe in yourself. Stay focused and make every day a chapter worth remembering. So the moral of this thought ki you is this: ki don't waste your time and make every day is worth remembering and worthful. So now. First, we see the definition about the module. A module in Python is a file containing a Python code. A module is nothing; it's just a Python file that containing Python code. And with the help of import, what I can use this Python code in my another program. So the definition is done, and I want to share you one game knowledge about the Python modules. So modules have two type, like built-in modules and external modules. So built-in modules are provided by Python, so we can easily use with the help of import. But external modules we want to install in our system, so with the help of pip, but we can easily install any module that I want to require. So what is pip? Pip is stands for Preferred Installer Programmer. So program. So I hope you understand these things, and I'm also share you knowledge in this further videos. Now let's go for IDE and check out how the modules are used in Python. So in this video we are covering IMP modules in Python, like math, random, system, and time. And if you want to see how many modules that provided by Python, so you just write a code like this and run this, and here is a list about the modules in Python. There are quite a lot, so I hope you understand how to see this list of modules that provided by Python. I just clear this output here, edit and clear all output. Now first I want to share you about the how to use math function with the help of math, but I just write anything, any function I want to apply, just a dot, and I want to first key how to find the square root of any letter with the help of square root function. If I give 1000, so what I get 100. No, the square root of 1000 is 31, and 10 is 100 is 10. So okay, this is the using of a square root function. There is one more function called floor function. If I give 100, so I get 100, but if I give in the point value, so I get 10. Now there is one more function called CEIL, and it's give me a big value. Then I give 10.3, so I get 11, and I also give 10.9, so I also get 11 here. So this is the function of cell. And one more function, like if you get the value of pi, so you just write here pi and you get the value of pi like 3.114. So this is the use of math function. And they're talking about next function. What is the next function? It's a random function. You just import random here, and what the random function done for me, random dot rand int8. This function is generate integers between a given range. So what I want to give in the range, now I want to give the given range 1 and 100. So when I print, so it randomly generate every time another number between the 100 and 10. So I hope you understand how to use random function. And one more thing about the random function, okay, I use here now random dot and tab. So I share you one benefit thing. When you use any importing function, to just type the name and dot and then enter the tab button, so you can see how many functions are available in this random function, random modules. So random dot rent I इसको अपन यूज करके देख लिया, random dot sample and random dot shuffle. I just use this function here now. So what I want to do, first I want to create a anything like list. So 1 2 3 4 5, and give the value here, and again a. So every time I just run the code, so I get shuffling between this number. Now 1 2 3 4 and 5, they are shuffling to each other, and this shuffle function give me a output look like this: 4 1 3 2 5, like this. So I hope you understand how to use random function. Now import sys. So sys is very powerful function. Now if you want to know which Python version I use here, so I just write the code like this, and I get in this video I use 3.11.3, and I also get date of today. So if you want to see the date, so you can use this function like import time, and time dot c time means current time, and function, okay, like this. And you get current time here now, Saturday November 25, and the time is also, and every time you just run it, so it's give you an okay, this is the second. So when you run, so this second is automatically changed now 43. Now again I think it's 50, no 47. So I hope you understand. And the one more thing about the time function is this: when you use time function, so there is a quite of functions. Like when you see, to just tap and see how many functions are available in time module. So I just use this one more function, time down select, if I want to give any seconds like 5 seconds. And what I want to know, I want to do like here, print pro, and then sleep for 5 seconds, this sleep function sleep output for 5 seconds, and then print for me what I want to print. I want to print coder G, and when I run this, so I get 5 pro, and after 5 seconds it print coder G for me. So I hope you understand how to use this type of function. This video is nothing, is just a simple solutions about how to use the modules in Python. And experience, I in so many videos we are covering lot of modules, and also we are install the modules, external modules in our system. And I want to share you knowledge ki how to install the modules with the help of pipbut. So in this video, this is uh, covering something module about the module. So I hope you understand this, like math module, random module, sys module, time module. So just share this video with your friends. I hope this video is very useful for everyone.